Yeah, 20 minutes, so it would be, we get out 150, right?
45, I think.
145?
That was the original plan.
Jeez, we should have got out 130. That's just ridiculous.
They told the bus that was
Blizzard outside and we get out 145. 15 minutes.
Alright, would you stop before you kill somebody?
I don't think 15 minutes will make a difference. Half an hour might.
Just can address whatever they need to address. Are you taking a picture of them? Or?
No. This shows what happens in my gym class while we're waiting. Waiting for it to be dismissed. Raiders.
Are you going to this room? Yeah. Let's go. Wait! Goodbye.
Woo! Oh, jeez, that's cold. God. Woo! Oh. Well, thanks for saving my seat anyway. Very nice. Soaking in your shoes.
Oh my God, let's go. Oh, very good. Oh, what did you catch it with you? I got smashed with Canton pies.
I have track practice. Stay after until 5 o'clock. 5:30 bus. Very nice. Like 3 extra hours of school.
Kill her.
Wait, what'd you get on your math quiz? What'd you get in your quiz? 874. I'm on the bus right now. Should I get off?
Oh, nice day of all snow.
Oh, parrot, that's off. You did not take a picture of me, did you?
No, I didn't. Don't worry.
Oh, thank God.
Oh my gosh.
Would have beaten me.
The snow.
Oh, nice.
I haven't seen anybody in shorts yet. I'm looking for them. Have you seen a person in shorts yet? No? Oh, sweatpants. That's kind of close. Sweatpants.
I'm on the bus.
T-shirt. Ooh, nice. No coat. Everybody in sweatshirts. Couple coats.
Alright, I'll be, are you still in the front?
Oh my gosh, that is the freshman. Tiny little girl. Slowly walking, making it through the snow. Oh my gosh, she must be dying. No, this is awesome.
No, it is. It sucks. I was doing something today. That was very important.
I was in gym, so I didn't care.
No. My girlfriend was going over to my house today.
Oh, that important. I thought you were like talking school importance. You're like, I was doing an essay. I just had to finish it. So important. What's she doing standing right there? Freezing.
I threw up when I got home.
Go, go, go. I'm making funny little comments to people.
Sure you
Whoa.
didn't.
Everybody's gone. I guess they didn't like the nice little weather we're having. Oh, there's a straggler. Well, everybody's gone. There's a couple. I don't know where he's going. I guess he's... Okay, he's running after his bus. Oh, there's one more. Random people coming on.
It didn't get wet, thank God.
Oh, look at that.
Bear, watch something cute.
Oh man, she's... Oh my gosh, that is cute. Adorable. Is he fluffy?
My girlfriend gave it to me.
Sit down and hold on.
Lucky man. I don't get a little stuffed animal. All I get is like underwear for Christmas.
No, I had I wanted to give her a bunny rabbit that I had because it reminded me much a lot of her.
Bunny
she
rabbit.
She can wiggle her nose like a bunny rabbit. So what I did was I gave her my bunny rabbit that I had.
Okay.
She goes, I'm looking something too. to remind me.
Oh my gosh, look at all these kids waiting for their bus. Oh. Everybody's just hanging out. This is a wonderful day.
Yeah, they just let the buses go, then we're here.
Oh, it's amazing.
Now it's gonna be horrible. I can't Photoshop.
Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, we're on the road.
So you videotaped that cat?
The cat? Yeah, that's why I zoomed in.
Dude, I want to see it then. I want to see the bat last.
Look at the road. That's amazing.
It is.
This is New York weather. So
Who are you taking this for?
random. So I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Be like, this is New York in the winter. It's beautiful.
After we get out of shitty school because our school sucks. Everyone else got out before us.
I'm gonna have to bleep out all the swear words. So many swear
Don't.
words when I was walking through the hallway.
Don't. You don't have to. For YouTube, you don't give a shit. So you should actually.
I should.
You should.
I might get, I don't know.
No, you'll get the video taken off.
Oh, I could. Oh, look at that car. Well, no, it's not really bad.
Dude, I'm gonna get the shovel when I get home.
Oh, I'm gonna have to shovel tomorrow.
Definitely, I got shovel tomorrow because I'm having a party tomorrow.
I had the ACT tomorrow. Okay, it's gonna. All right, I'll start recording once this is.
You guys want to say hi? No.
I know.
It's a videotape. Ah, she's stupid. Oh, I thought I was on there. Damn.
You wanna?
Haha. Haha.
I got my uniform tongue in there.
At least you didn't get that.